So today's job is to convert my BMW GS1200 on a 9 plate to an LED conversion. You can do this with the bikes, with this particular headlamp, the bikes between 2005 and 2012, so you can send away for a replacement one. And it is the whole thing. It's an oil cooled LED type. That's the original one, clocks on, and this is the new one here, which is around about £200 or so, delivered from China. So without further ado, I'm going to change the clocks and see how we go, and I'll get back to you and show you a bit on the bike after. So now we've swapped everything over, so that's the old unit. Now I've swapped the clocks over. As you can see, clocks are on. It's pretty easy really. There's like these little clips down here which you take off to take the clocks off, and then there is 3 screws, 1, 2, and then one round the corner over there. Where is he? Down there, which is 3. So all being well now, it's just a case of putting it back together and then go from there. So bear with me and we will put them back in now. So the back on is installed. You can see it's fitted. Beautiful. Good white light. So all in all, wasn't really a bad job. A little bit fiddly to get it back in and fiddling around without taking the screen off, but yeah, it's alright. So if you want one of these, I am selling them, about £195 they are. Yeah, no problem. If you need one, please inquire, because I am selling them on my eBay. Thank you.